If you know anyone who's doing poultry or doing the egg layers, please like and share this, or tell them to go into www.ramking.co.za to register. We are guaranteeing that this will change your business. If you were recording on a paper or anything, I'm telling you, this will change the way you look into your business. You will know how much profit you're making. You will record all the expenses at time. You will record all the mortality and everything, and join over 100 farmers that are actually making profit on the poultry and the egg layers. So don't just do business with profit. To all the poultry farmers that are still doing their recordings on a file like this, we're saying that we have developed a much better technology that will enable you to record your sales. You can record all your farm expenses. Let's check it out. So this one shows you all the expenses that you do: petrol, worker, and packaging. Everything it's shown here. So if you have a small farm or a bigger farm, you just need to use our system and then join the team that are actually making money on the poultry industry. We are guaranteeing success. This will change your business. Don't take your business for granted. I'm telling you that we have farmers that are actually making money, and we want you to be part of the people that are making money. So do not hesitate. This is our website, www.ramking.co.za. You will actually see all these beautiful reports. You can already see if a report is telling you if you've made profit, all your expenses, the inventory for the eggs and the chickens, how many chickens you have. This just shows that this is a beautiful platform that's guaranteeing you success in your poultry farm.